Your dining room is the heart of your home. It's where people come together to make memories, share stories, and have a meal. So naturally, you're gonna want this space to feel comfortable, cozy, and inviting. I'm Alexis, one of AFW's furniture buyers. And today, in our This or That series, we're gonna take an on-trend modern farmhouse dining space and transition it into a contemporary, quiet luxury gathering space without breaking the bank. So modern farmhouse is a blend of traditional farmhouse style, which includes an airy, warm tones with this black accent that really adds structure to the space. It creates a warm and inviting space by combining elements of natural materials, a cozy color palette, and vintage and rustic elements with a mix of modern and vintage details, all the while being functional to the space. This room is anchored by the Sutton Place dining table. It really blends nicely into this modern farmhouse feel. It has clean lines, a warm neutral wood top with contrasting base, bringing in that black accent color that really helps blend the modern with the farmhouse. Other pieces that really make this table are the chairs. I really love this head of the table chair with its soft fabric and then the contrast of this black spindle rustic chair. One of my most favorite pieces in this room is the Dakota chest. It really adds tribute to the farmhouse style. This barn door is a classic farmhouse element, while these metal baskets are straight from the farm feel. This piece has a ton of storage, and I really love that we brought it actually in from our bedroom collections, just proof that functional furniture can go anywhere. The modern farmhouse aesthetic really comes to life with the hints of greenery and the milk jugs that look like they were just brought in from the barn. It's really a great place to gather with your friends and family for a great meal. But if you feel like this modern farmhouse is no longer you may be ready to evolve more into a space that's less about a trend and more about the luxury of life. Quiet luxury is a style that's on the rise, and it's defined by an understated elegance, high quality materials, and a focus on creating sophisticated atmosphere. We're gonna upgrade this modern farmhouse room into a quiet luxury space without breaking the bank. Think of quiet luxury as a design style that whispers instead of shouts, focusing on quality, timeless design, and refined restraint, rather than trend-driven statements. You may notice that the color palettes of modern farmhouse and our modern quiet luxury are quite similar. They both feature a neutral color palette that offers that feeling of sophistication, combining soft shades of cream, beige, and muted earth tones with that black accent as a statement. In this quiet luxury space, we kept the Sutton Place dining room table, but added these Gwen chairs that have high-end design style with function in the swivel base. Both styles of the chair are covered in this boucle fabric, which adds texture to the space, but isn't too fussy for being a dining room chair. Like the farmhouse space, the rug also has a pattern, but this time it's mimicking the shape of the table and the bench, while adding texture to the space. I love when a cowhide is added to the space. So in this quiet luxury, we've added this cowhide, which adds more texture to the space. While there may not be as many pieces to look at in quiet luxury, each piece offers high quality materials and different textures. Like this Camden fireplace over here. This piece has a beautiful stone top and fluted detail on the sides. I love the elongated shape and the actual coziness that the fire brings to the space. The overall feel for quiet luxury is a minimalist tailored design with clean lines and balanced proportions, which give a sense of order. The two benches with art flanking the fireplace on each side really balances out the space. We get more of that casual, comfortable feel with the modern farmhouse style. But with this quiet luxury, it's more refined. I like to think of it as an art museum, more curated and refined, specific to what you like. What's nice about this design is if you don't like a certain piece, you can just pop one out and replace it with a new piece that you love even more. Whether your style is still modern farmhouse or you're ready to transition to quiet luxury, both of these spaces are great places to gather your friends and family around for a great meal. Each of these styles are easy to achieve at American Furniture Warehouse. You can shop this look and more at AFW.com. Like and subscribe below to get the latest style updates.